How to use your phone's camera as a magnifier. The camera on the back of your phone can help you see things up close, which can be handy for reading fine print on bills or getting a closer look at small objects. To access the camera, you will need to swipe up to the camera app. Swipe up the home screen to display all the apps. Then look for the camera app icon and tap it. The camera app will open and you will see a preview of what the camera can see. Now point the camera at what you want to magnify. When the object is in focus, place 2 fingertips on the screen and move your fingers apart. This is called pinch and zoom. You can use this gesture to zoom in and zoom back out by pinching your fingers together.